What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. Oh, I gotta get some work done. I need my tablet to look up some information. But where's my tablet? It's not here. It's not in there. I wonder who took my tablet. I gotta look around the house. It's strange. It's normally right there. Alright, let's take a look. Let's go look around. Okay, I guess we need to look outside. I don't see them inside the house. Where can those kids be? Whoa, they're those kids. What are they doing? What's going on? Hey kids, what are you doing out here? What are those things you're holding?
A hammer.
Hammer? What are you guys gonna do with a hammer?
Smash it.
Wait, is that my tablet? Wait, let me take a look. Hey, that is my tablet. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys holding a hammer? Let's talk about this. Why are you guys destroying my tablet again?
In Fortnite, you didn't let me join your party.
Oh no, I forgot all about that.
You didn't let me play Fortnite for a whole week. I'm stuck now.
A whole week? Oh no, I can understand why you're so angry. Oh no, don't do it, don't do it. Are you seriously? Oh my god, we do it. Oh my god, you're breaking my tablet. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, smash. Oh my god, I spent so much money on that tablet. Oh my god, what are we doing to it? Stop. Oh my goodness, stop. God, now you turned it around too? Don't smash that side. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What are you guys doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'll let you play Fortnite. I'll let you play. I'll let you play Fortnite. Don't do it. Don't do it anymore. Oh my god, it's not gonna work anymore. Stop. Stop it, guys.
Ooh, yeah, really.
Stop. Oh my god, look at all those dents. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, I don't think it works anymore. Oh my god, pick it up. Is it broken anymore? Oh my god, the whole screen came out, guys. What is going on? Oh, what do you think? Is that, oh my gosh, is that the Wi-Fi antenna you just took out?
Yeah, me
Oh
too.
my goodness.
You can't lift it up.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
finally.
Oh, you just ripped off the data bus. What's going on? Oh my goodness.
Please smash it inside.
Look at my tablet. Oh my goodness. It's in two pieces. How's it gonna work now? How's it gonna work?
You
Oh,
make it.
man.
You get a new one.
I guess I can't punish you guys anymore. Okay, I'm sorry.
I want to show you how to laugh somebody.